Need to clean up your Excel worksheet without deleting anything? In this tutorial, you will learn how to hide rows in Excel and keep your data safe. Let's start with the easiest method. To hide one row, go to the row number on the left side of the worksheet. Click the row number. This selects the entire row. Now, right-click the selected row number and choose Hide. Now, row 7 is hidden. Notice that Excel skipped from row 6 to row 8. That means the row is hidden, not deleted. You can also hide several rows at the same time. Click the first row number, hold the mouse button, and drag down to select the row you want to hide. Right-click any selected row number and choose Hide. Excel hides all selected rows together. So you can see row 9, then jump to row 13, which means that the previously selected rows 10, 11, and row 12 were hidden. Again, the data is still in the workbook. It is just not visible right now. If the rows are not next to each other, use the Ctrl key. Click the first row number you want to hide. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click the other row numbers you want to hide. After the rows are selected, right-click one of them and choose Hide. This hides only the rows you selected. The row between them stay visible. In this example, the rows number jump from 3 to 5, so it means row 4 is hidden. Then again, it jumped from 7 to 9, so row 8 is hidden. Then it jumped from 14 to 16, so row 15 is hidden. Here also jumped from row 9 to 13, so row 10, 11, and 12 are hidden. The fastest way to hide rows is with a keyboard shortcut. First, select the row number, then press Ctrl 9. That's it. The selected rows is hidden immediately. The shortcut also works for multiple rows. Just select the rows first, then press Ctrl 9. You can also hide rows from the ribbon. Select the row first, then go to Home tab, in the Cells group, click the arrow down below Format. Point to Hide and Unhide. Then choose Hide Rows. To hide multiple rows, follow the same step. This method takes more clicks, but it is useful when you want to find the command visually. Here is an important beginner tip. Hidden rows are not deleted. If you see row numbers skipping, like row 9 followed by row 13, some rows are probably hidden. Also, try to select the row's number on the left, not just the cell inside the row. This makes sure you are hiding the full row. Quick recap. Select the row number on the left, right-click and choose Hide. To hide several rows, select all the rows first. Then you can also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and 9 to hide row. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.